Hi everyone, Sparkle Sprinkler here. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. If you're a new viewer, I would appreciate you subscribing. I would love to have you here with us. I have another comparison video for y'all. I ordered this 60 by 60, same as the others. The only one that I have intentionally ordered the same was the teddy bear. Okay, everything else I bought the 60 by 60 and eventually found the 80 by 80 and ordered it, and I got this back in September, the same as with the train, and there was another one, forget what it was, and I did not check the diamonds. We were out of town and someone got my mail for me and just set it in the house for me. Okay, so I have not checked these diamonds, don't know what we're going to get into. This one I've recently found and I ordered it, so we're going to compare the two different stores. So it may be two different manufacturers, y'all. Don't know. Don't have a clue. So we will see. I paid $27.74 for this, and I did not go back and look to see if I got any price matches. It was back in September, y'all. So, but I did not have time to check this. It was just a busy time in our life, and you get one toolkit with it. So I usually check them, and I said, you know what, it's 60 by 60. If it doesn't turn out okay, oh well. So, all right, let's see what we've got, y'all. That looks a little funky through there to me. There will be a picture of this in between the video and the intro. It has 22 colors. This is your thumbnail. If you are not new, if you are new to this, these are your DMC colors. If you were cross stitching this, this is the DMC floss color you would be using to cross stitch your design with. Diamond paintings try to get these colors as close to the DMC floss as they can. As if you've seen, you've seen. Some do a good job, some do not. Just looking over the canvas, I mean, it does change colors. If you know, I check my diamonds, y'all. I look closely at my canvases because these are banking up for retirement and I want the best outcome I can have. But it is changing colors. Okay, I do not know if this is the same one that the train, and there was another one, I forget what it was, that was a comparison. They changed colors per diamond, so you're actually laying the diamond onto the canvas for the color that the diamond should be. So that's a good sign. Okay, it's not just one color and you're laying different color diamonds through it. So even through this green, it's actually changing colors. This is a little bit darker than your 6. The G is a totally different color. The L's are darker than the M's and 6s. So this is promising. Maybe I got lucky, you know, without checking the diamonds. But I really think that the detail's just not coming through of this rock over here on this house. That's where your 80 by 80 is probably going to shine. Okay. Alright, and what I will do is I'm going to gift this. I've got a friend that has recently, finally, after years of me trying to get her to, she has started diamond painting, so I will gift her these 60 by 60s, whichever ones I don't want to keep, and kind of help her build her stash up too. Totally different intention. I intended on this being the only one donkey with a little barn that I could find, and then I found the 80 by 80, so there was a reason for it. Okay, this is y'all, my ladybug is flying, so he will probably be in here momentarily. You know, he likes the spotlight. Okay, this is letter E. It's 945, and I'm seeing that all through here. E's are all through here, and it is matching the diamond. Okay, number 17 is color 3752. It's letter J, and this is over here in this sky, right through there. Also right through here. And it is matching the canvas. Everything looks good. Number 16 is letter H. It's 3328. Okay, here's your H's up here. It's not this dark, it's the lighter color in there. There should be more than that. Yes, there's some H's down here too. Number 15 is 3023. It's the letter G. G's are all through here. And see here, let me zoom a little closer. It is actually changing the color. This is darker than your 7. This is your G. That diamond matches your symbol. That's what you're looking for. Over here, the 5s are darker, your G's are the medium, and your 7s are lighter. It literally changes colors for your diamond. That's what you're looking for in a canvas. Right here is a prime example. Right through here. Especially these. It changes from green to gray. Okay? Right over here, same thing. It's changing colors. So I don't know if this was from the same store with the train, and I forget the other one. This is F. It's number 975. There's not very many diamonds in this. Oh, it's up here in the roof. Send this out so you can see. Right in here. Okay. This is number 21. It's the letter N, and I have seen N's all in this canvas. It is everywhere. I've seen N's everywhere in this canvas. This is number 20. This is not as gold as what my camera is picking up. My camera picks up these browns. It's a milky light brown. It's number 20. It's the letter M. It's 3828, and I've seen the M's everywhere as well. And you'll note it changes from H to M. Your 7's gray. So it's actually changing colors. And this is picking up, find those M's again right here. Perfect. Matching this diamond. So y'all, I'm impressed. Thank goodness, because I didn't have time to check these. Number 19 is 3770. It is the letter L. Back this out so you can see the canvas and the color. Letter L, where are you? Oh. There are L's all through this in here. And it's all in this house. Down the door. Over in here in the post. Okay. Number 18. It's the letter K. And there are K's all down in this. There's K's through here. There's K's in the house. And then you get 2 bags. This is probably the background. Letter P. Yes, this is all your background. There are some P's through here. P's in this. There's P's all down through here. P, anywhere you see white, there's P's. Okay. So far, so good, y'all. Thank goodness, because I did not have time. I'm thinking I must order these all from one store. I found one, went in and ordered more. You know, went into the store and found more that I wanted, because I'm thinking they must have all came from the same store, because they're all charted about the same. So, thank goodness. because I tell you, haven't been having much luck with the, you've seen the bear with the books and the Valentines and the school. Okay, this is number 12. It's the letter D, and there's D's. I thought that was a D, but it says 6. Okay, there's D's all down in this. All through here. All up in here. There's D's over here. This is number 11. It's 931. It is the letter C. And that is over here in the blue of the sky. More so through this. This is number 10. It's the letter B. And I was seeing B's when I thought I was seeing D's a while ago. So that's all up through here. All in this dark as well. This is number 9. It's the letter A. And that is mixed in with this. I've got a feeling, yeah, these are 3 10s. These A's are mixed in with these 3 10s. I've been seeing those all through the roof, all in these windows, all in this, all of this. Anywhere you see this dark, there's some A's. This is number 8. It's the color 800. And that is also in your sky. Up here around these trees, all through here. I'm not seeing any in that. This is number 7. It's 452, and I saw those all in these wagon wheels. I've seen 7s through here. We saw some 7s down here when I was zoomed in. It's scattered, so I think this is going to be used for blending. This is number 6. It's 436, and that is all down here in this bottom. It is in the roof, more especially up here in this roof. This is number 5. It's 414. That is over here in this old wood. This is number 4, and it's also in that old wood. This is number 3. It's 321. There's one here. And y'all, there's very few diamonds in here. 3s and 2s. We're going to go ahead and get number 2 as well. 315. Where there's 3s, or where there's a 2, there's a 3 somewhere. All in this, y'all. All of this orange and dark through here has got these 2 colors in it. And then we get, this is number 4. We did number 4. This is your 310. Anywhere you see dark, that is your 310. Okay. All right. Let me get this one put away, and I'll get out the 80 by 80, and we'll compare the canvases, compare the legend, then we'll go through the diamonds. Okay. Be right back. Okay, this one was $36.53, and I've gotten 4 price matches on it. All right. You get your 4 toolkits. And your diamonds. We'll get a quick look at this, and then we will roll it. And then we will compare the 2 and the legend, and then we'll go through the diamonds on this one. This one did have a black sleeve on it, I think, and I think I slid it off to use it on another painting that I needed to put it on because the black sleeve was in half. I do believe this was a black sleeve. You're going to see the major differences between a 60 by 60 and an 80 by 80 on this one, y'all. I just saw major differences. Okay, let's compare the legends. And see if they use the same colors. You have 22 in both canvases. Okay. Alright, we use 310, 413, 436, 898, 931, 975, 3023, 3790, and that's the only colors that are the same. Alright, let's compare the two. We'll zoom you back out. Here is your differences between an 80 by 80 and a 60 by 60. Look at the difference in your donkey. Look at the difference in your rocks. Your grass is more defined. Even the dirt trail. Let's go this on over some more. Your pots. Look at your wood of your post of your house. See the differences? Look at the differences in this tree. Your shingles. You barely see this, but you rarely see it through here. You almost lose this whole window. Look at the differences in that tray. This is the difference between an 80 by 80 and a 60 by 60. This is why I buy 80 by 80s. I want as much detail as I can get. So here, even the definition of the side of the house. Look at the differences in this pot and these pots. It's almost like they get lost in the background there. This right here is why I buy 80 by 80, y'all. Okay, roll this way. And let's go. Look at the difference of your wood. This tree, look how much bigger it is. But look at this right here. This is where it really shines. You actually see the detail of the rock. This one, you lose once you pass that corner here. You lose all this detail. See, you lose every bit of that detail of that rock. This is why I tell you a lot of times when I open up an 80 by 80, I just don't know if this is going to turn out okay if you've ordered anything less than this. This is one of those. See right here? Look at this. You keep your definition, your rock here. It is just a mottled mess right here. There's your wagon. Look at the differences of your rocks through here. This is how much detail you lose by going, look at this. This is the rock right here. Look at the detail you get through here. Big difference, y'all. More so right in here and all of this. Get you out of that glare. And zoom it back a little bit more so you can see it. You actually see the stones. On this one you cannot. Look at the difference in this fence. And just the little door of the wagon back here. The wagon wheels even. Big difference. Okay, let me get this put back in its bag so I don't get the diamonds confused. And I'll be right back with you. Okay, let's look at the diamonds on this one. They both have the same amount of colors, but use different colors. Alright, and we'll start right here. Number 10 is letter C, and I'm seeing C's all through here, all in here. There's some up in the house. This is number 14, it's letter H. There's H's in this wagon wheel. And this one's doing the same thing, it's changing colors. There's one H down here. It's changing colors with your diamond. I'm pretty sure this was a black sleeve. I'm thinking this was, and I knew I was going to do a comparison on it. So I took the black sleeve off of this one, I think, to put it on another one that was struggling. Because I specifically remember the black sleeve was only halfway around and taped. So I put it on there. But there's the H's all through here. This is number 16. It's letter K. Okay, that's all up in the roof. Seeing tons of it up there in that roof. There's some right through here as well. Number 15 is letter J. That is over here in the stone. There's some in the front of the house. This is not as brown in person. It is more of a, I don't know, it's not, I won't say orangey brown, but it's not as gold. My camera picks up gold for the browns. Okay, this is number 17. It's the letter N. That is up in the sky. It's around the chimney, but mostly in the sky. This is number 18. It's the letter Q, and I've been seeing that all through the wagon wheel. It's in this. It's right here in this brick. This is number 17. It's the letter N. That is up around the fireplace. And the reason I say that is it's right here. Okay. There's also some in the sky. This is number 21. It's the letter T. And I have seen T's all down in here. All in this wagon wheel. I've seen it in the stone. It's in the wood on the end of the home. Through there, it's in the donkey. This is number 22. It's a letter U. And U's are all down here in this. It's in this. It's in the donkey. It's right here on the front of the house. This is number 20. It's letter S. That is up in the roof, and it's not that gold, y'all. This is more of a rich tannish brown. This is number 19. It's the letter R. And that's not green. It's mauve. Did this pick up green? It did. It's a kind of a mauve color. All three of these. This is your dark. This is your light. This is your medium. This is not grayish. It's mauve. This is certainly not green. Letter R. Okay, I'm seeing it all through here. And this does match the symbol. It does match the diamond. It's all through here. But that's not green, my friends. My camera is bad at picking up colors. This is number 10. It's letter C. And I've seen C's all through this. All in this. It's all in this brick. This stone over here. Over here. In this corner. You get 2 bags of number 7, and that is your background. They're using this, but this is a peachy cream. It's not bright yellowish color like that. It is more this color in person. Okay. Camera, you're doing an awful job with colors today. There goes my ladybug. He'll be in here soon. This is letter G. It is $9.75. And that is all in the stone. All over here in this wood. Probably in the tree. No, I don't see any in the tree. It's all through here though. This is number 12. It's letter F. It's $9.31. That is through here. And up in the aged wood. This is number 11. It's the letter D, and I have seen that sprinkled through here. And it is green, but not that green, okay? It is sprinkled through all of this grass. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 D's here. 1, 2, 3 D's there. 1, 2, 3 D's there. It is just sprinkled in this. And we got 2 bags of number 10, y'all. Okay. Alright, we have one more bag. Okay, seeing these, that's your 310. Anywhere you see the dark, it's 310, just like on the other one. Okay, this is number 4. It is the color 413, and it is all through this, y'all. It is through here. It is in the sky. It's in this door. It's in the aged wood on the window. This is number 3. It's 371, and it is not that green. 3s are in here, 3s in here, 3s in here. This is a brighter green. It's not as dull as that. Okay, this is number 2. That's another 310. You get 3 bags of 310. Number 7, you get another bag of number 7. So that's 3 bags. There was 2 in that one. This is number 9. It's letter A. That's through here. It's all up in the front of this house, y'all. This is number 8. It is $7.32, and that is in your grass. It's the moss on the trees. This is number 6. It's $4.53. That is in the front of your house. All of this. It's in the wagon wheel. It's down here in this dirt. This is number 5. It's $4.36, and that is in your roof. Seeing it all in that roof. This is number 4. It's $4.13. That is through here. It is also in the aged wood. And then this is number 1. It's $1.60, and that is in your sky. Okay. So I will. I'm going to give the other one to her. Let her work on that while I work on this, and let's kind of work at it. Hopefully can get her to do it at the same time as I'm doing it. She hasn't done a large painting yet, so she's got time to, you know, get up the courage, because I'm not going to get to this for quite a while. But we'll do it at the same time, and I'll get her to send me some pictures, or she can come over and diamond paint with me, bring it with her. And I'll take pictures and compare the two for you. Okay. All right, let's get a closer look at this canvas, so you can see the print, quality, all the things. The print is very, very, very clear. A lot of blending through this. Not so much through here, but all through here. You've got 3 or 4 different colors, maybe 5 different colors in that, y'all. Back this out just a little bit. Make it a little blurry. There we go. So you got 6s and N's, H's, 1s, all different colors. I love the blending. Love that little donkey. You just get so much more detail in the 80 by 80, y'all, than a 60 by 60, especially on something like this. Now that teddy bear, the pink and blue one, the very first comparison I did, that's going to be fine, you know, because it's large, it's a focal. But this has got so much detail in it that you just lose it, especially over here in this rock. I mean, you keep every bit of this detail. On that other, this was just a swath of color. You even lost some of this in this 60 by 60. You almost lost this window in the 60 by 60. A lot of canvas. That aged wood is going to be amazing with all the color changes they've got going on in that. That rock is going to be pretty too. Alright, y'all, the product number will be in the description for the 60 by 60 and the 80 by 80. Okay? If you have any trouble with either one of them working, just let me know in a comment and I will go straight to my order and get you a link. Okay? That is going to be it. I will see all of you tomorrow. Y'all take care, okay? Bye-bye.